The Venus flytrap, Dionea muscipula, is one of the world's most famous carnivorous plants and grows naturally in the wetlands of North and South Carolina in the United States. Unlike ordinary plants, it survives in nutrient-poor soil by catching insects instead of relying only on the ground for nutrients. Each leaf forms a trap lined with sensitive trigger hairs that snap shut in less than a second when touched twice by an unsuspecting insect. Once the prey is trapped, digestive enzymes slowly break it down, allowing the plant to absorb valuable nutrients. This incredible hunting ability has earned the Venus flytrap a reputation as one of nature's most devilish plants. Pitcher plants, Nepenthe species, are tropical carnivorous plants found across Southeast Asia, Madagascar, and Australia. Their leaves form deep, slippery pitchers filled with digestive fluid that lure insects with sweet nectar. Once an insect slips inside, the smooth walls prevent it from climbing back out, and it eventually drowns before being digested. Some of the larger species can even trap frogs, lizards, and small rodents. Their deadly pitfall traps make pitcher plants among the most remarkable hunters in the plant kingdom. Sundews, Drosera species, grow on every continent except Antarctica and are easily recognized by their sparkling, sticky tentacles. These glistening droplets look like morning dew but are actually a powerful adhesive used to capture insects. As soon as prey lands on the leaf, the tentacles slowly bend inward, wrapping around the victim while digestive enzymes begin breaking it down. This slow but effective hunting method provides nutrients that the plant cannot obtain from poor soils. With more than 200 species worldwide, sundews are among the most successful carnivorous plants on Earth. Bladderworts, Utricularia species, are unusual carnivorous plants that live in freshwater ponds, wetlands, and waterlogged soils around the world. Hidden beneath the water or mud are tiny bladder-shaped traps that create a powerful vacuum. When a small aquatic animal touches the trigger hairs, the trapdoor opens and sucks the prey inside in less than a millisecond, making it one of the fastest movements in the plant kingdom. The trapped prey is then digested to provide essential nutrients. This extraordinary underwater hunting system makes bladderwort one of the most fascinating and efficient carnivorous plants ever discovered. The cobra lily, Darlingtonia californica, is a rare carnivorous plant found in the cold mountain wetlands of northern California and southern Oregon. Its hooded leaves resemble the head of a striking cobra, giving the plant its sinister appearance. Sweet nectar attracts insects into the hollow trap, where transparent windows confuse them and make escape almost impossible. Eventually, the exhausted prey falls into the digestive chamber below. This unique trap design makes the cobra lily one of the most mysterious carnivorous plants in the world. The waterwheel plant, Aldrovanda vesiculosa, is a free-floating carnivorous plant that lives in freshwater lakes and ponds across Europe, Asia, Africa, and Australia. Unlike rooted plants, it drifts through the water while hunting tiny aquatic animals. Its small snap traps work almost exactly like those of the Venus flytrap, closing in just milliseconds after being triggered. Once prey is captured, digestive enzymes break it down and provide nutrients the plant cannot obtain from the water. Today, it is one of the rarest carnivorous plants on Earth. Welwitschia, Welwitschia mirabilis, is one of the strangest plants ever discovered and grows only in the harsh Namib Desert of Namibia and Angola. Instead of producing many leaves, it grows just 2 leaves that continue to grow throughout its entire life. Some specimens are believed to be over 1,500 years old, surviving extreme heat and long periods without rain. The plant collects moisture from coastal fog, allowing it to live where few other plants can survive. Its bizarre appearance and incredible lifespan have made it one of the world's most extraordinary desert plants. Hydnora africana is a bizarre parasitic plant native to southern Africa that spends almost its entire life hidden beneath the ground. It contains no green leaves and cannot produce its own food, instead stealing nutrients from the roots of nearby plants. Only its thick, fleshy flower emerges above the soil, releasing a powerful odor that attracts beetles for pollination. After pollination, the flower closes temporarily, trapping the insects before releasing them later. Its underground lifestyle and unusual survival strategy make Hydnora africana one of the strangest plants ever found. Dodder, Cuscuta species, is a parasitic plant found across Asia, Europe, Africa, and the Americas. Unlike ordinary plants, it contains little or no chlorophyll and cannot produce enough food through photosynthesis. After germinating, its thin yellow or orange vine searches for a nearby host plant and wraps tightly around the stem. Specialized feeding structures called haustoria penetrate the host and steal water and nutrients throughout its life. Once attached, Dodder often loses contact with the soil and survives entirely by draining another plant. This vampire-like lifestyle has made Dodder one of the world's most infamous parasitic plants. Indian pipe, Monotropa uniflora, also known as ghost pipe, is an unusual white plant found in the forests of North America and parts of Asia. It lacks chlorophyll, so it cannot make its own food like green plants. Instead, it survives by obtaining nutrients through underground fungal networks connected to nearby trees. Its ghostly white stem and nodding flower appear for only a short time before disappearing back into the forest floor. Because of its eerie appearance and mysterious lifestyle, Indian pipe has long been associated with myths and legends. It remains one of the strangest plants ever discovered. Ghost pipe, Monotropa uniflora, may look like a fungus, but it is actually a flowering plant with a highly unusual way of surviving. Growing in cool, shaded forests, it depends entirely on underground fungi for nutrients instead of sunlight. Without chlorophyll, its pale white color allows it to blend into the leaf litter where it quietly emerges after rainy weather. Its delicate appearance hides a remarkable survival strategy that has fascinated botanists for generations. This ghostly plant is one of nature's most mysterious botanical wonders. Balanophora is a rare parasitic plant found in the forests of Southeast Asia, Australia, and the Pacific Islands. It spends most of its life attached to the roots of trees, stealing water and nutrients instead of producing its own food. Lacking normal green leaves, it appears above the ground as unusual red or brown structures that resemble mushrooms more than ordinary plants. Hidden beneath the soil for most of the year, it emerges only to flower and produce seeds. Its bizarre appearance and completely parasitic lifestyle have earned Balanophora a place among the world's strangest and most devilish plants.